Prior to a specific period of global transformation, the majority of the world's manufacturing took place in places like China and India. Within a relatively short span, this changed dramatically. What force could reshape global output so profoundly, shifting its very centers across continents? This profound shift was a transitional period for the global economy, succeeding a revolution in agriculture. It began in Great Britain around 1760, gradually spreading to continental Europe and the United States by about 1840. Economic historians now consider this event the most important in human history, comparable only to the adoption of agriculture itself in terms of material advancement. At its core was a fundamental move, away from established hand production methods and towards machines. Britain was uniquely positioned for this transformation. By the mid-18th century, it was already the leading commercial nation, with GDP per capita considerably over the world average. This environment fostered rapid innovation. The textile industry became the first to embrace these modern production methods, fundamentally changing how goods were made. It soon became dominant in terms of employment, the value of its output, and the capital invested within it. This transition saw the increasing use of new chemical manufacturing and iron production processes, alongside the critical development of machine tools. Power sources also transformed, with a greater reliance on water power and, crucially, steam power. This enabled the rise of the mechanized factory system, where production was centralized and powered by machines rather than human or animal labor. Output greatly increased, triggering an unprecedented sustained growth in average income and population, with the standard of living improving for most in the Western world. The adoption of mechanized textile spinning in Britain, for example, accelerated rapidly in the 1780s, creating vast quantities of thread far beyond what hand spinners could achieve. High rates of growth in steam power and iron production followed after 1800, providing the very infrastructure for this new manufacturing age. This mechanized textile production then spread from Britain to continental Europe and the US in the early 19th century. However, this initial wave of change encountered a distinct phase of slowdown. From the late 1830s, a recession occurred as the adoption of these early innovations, such as mechanized spinning and weaving, began to mature within established markets. This happened even as the parallel adoption of newer innovations like locomotives, steamships, and hot blast iron smelting continued to increase. The initial burst of widespread, efficient manufacturing had reached a plateau. Ultimately, this period defined a new economic landscape. Its core mechanism, the transition from hand production to efficient machine-based manufacturing, particularly within the textile sector, fundamentally reoriented where goods were made. After this pivotal shift, the majority of manufacturing would take place in North America and Western Europe.